Hello, Scott Dutton here. I'm currently in Sunshine Beach in Noosa. We're writing our book on conflict intelligence. But I wanted to take a few moments just to talk about something I spoke about last time in terms of the conflict insight. When a staff member comes to you and they don't want to deal with it, I mentioned there's 5 key steps or options you have when you're in conflict with another staff member or one of your staff members in conflict. So the first one is having a one-on-one conversation. The second one is having a mediation or facilitated discussion. The third one is looking at some support options. So that might be EAP, counselling, conflict coaching. The fourth one is around a rights-based approach. So what are my rights in this situation and how would I implement those? And the fifth one is a restorative approach or practice. So I wanted to touch on the first one, which is having a difficult conversation. And you'll find in most organisations, the policy and procedure will say if you're having an issue or a conflict with another staff member, to go and speak to them. And to me, that makes perfect sense. And that is a great option. However, there are a couple of considerations. So the first one is, does that staff member have the knowledge, skills and confidence to actually have that conversation? Difficult conversations are not easy. In fact, there's a lot to it. I run a whole day training on it. One of them is, what is your purpose? How clear are you on that? Your mindset you bring, what you're actually going to focus on, and how to manage the emotions of both yourself and the other person. It's pretty tricky. So the other aspect is there a culture within the team or within the organisation where it's actually okay to approach the other person? I work with many teams and organisations across Australia, and part of the role when I go in to work with them is giving permission to be able to actually speak to each other if there's a concern or an issue. Because if you can't do that, things are not going to be resolved. So thanks for listening. Next week we'll look at mediation and facilitate discussion. And until then, enjoy your conflict. See you later.